In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Otter.ai from Microsoft Teams. Whether you're freeing up some space, troubleshooting, or simply no longer need the application, don't worry. This process is straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step, making sure you understand each stage clearly. Let's kick things off by opening Microsoft Teams on your device. Once you've logged in, you'll notice a navigation menu, usually along the left side of your screen. This menu is your gateway to various useful features offered by Teams. From here, we need to look for the Apps icon. This is the section where you can manage all the applications integrated with Microsoft Teams. Click on Apps, and you'll find yourself directed to the Applications section. Next, we want to move to Manage Your Apps. This section provides a comprehensive list of all the apps you currently have within Teams. It's the perfect place to oversee which tools you have added and might no longer need. Browsing through this list is simple, as the apps are usually organized in an orderly fashion that allows for easy navigation. Now let's locate Otter.ai in this list. Otter.ai is a popular app known for its transcription and recording capabilities, but like any app, it's possible you just don't need it anymore. Scroll through the list or use any search feature within this menu if available, and once you find Otter.ai, you're almost there. Continuing with our process, you'll want to click on Otter.ai. Doing so will bring up an option to either uninstall or remove the app. This is the pivotal action for removing the app from Microsoft Teams, so click on that option. Once you click, a prompt will appear on your screen asking you to confirm the removal. This is a standard step when removing software to ensure that no accidental deletions happen. Carefully read any messages presented. Once you're sure that you're ready to proceed, go ahead and confirm the removal. With that confirmation, Otter.ai will be uninstalled from Microsoft Teams. The app will no longer appear within your managed apps list, and you'll have successfully decluttered a bit of your app space. It's always good practice to regularly review and manage your applications, ensuring you only have the ones that you actively use. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide was clear and helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Have a great day!